Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by fixing permissions and the network. Do this first. On Windows 11, set the network to private and enable network discovery. Once done, open Windows Firewall and allow Steam and Steam Link on private. Make sure you run both Steam and Steam Link as administrator. This prevents intermittent blocked sockets. Also prefer wired Ethernet because Wi-Fi adds packet loss. After these actions, restart Steam on the host and the client. This clears transient states so the next steps can succeed. Next, you resolve service and driver conflicts that commonly cause error 450. First, confirm Steam uses its streaming ports. Open 27036 UDP and the 27031 to 27036 range on your host. If NAT exists, forward them. Then update GPU drivers and make sure DirectX and related Windows components are current. Restart the Steam streaming service from services, MSC, and temporarily disable VPNs, proxies, or virtual network adapters that could route packets wrong. Finally, verify the connection and apply a targeted reset. Use Steam Link's built-in connection test. If discovery fails, connect by entering the host PC's local IP directly. If you still see error 450, close Steam and delete the streamid config. VDF and partner info. VDF files in the Steam user data folder. These force a fresh session. Restart Steam on both machines. If it still fails, test with another client device to isolate host versus client, and recheck router co-s, VPN, and port rules as the final troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.